Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walk around tour of our 2015 Ford Fiesta ST-2 1.6 we have new in stock. I'm just going to walk you through some of the features you get on this particular Fiesta. To begin with, on the exterior you've got the optional frozen white paintwork. The ST model of the Fiesta comes with the ST unique design body styling kit with aggressive front bumper, rear bumper, side skirts and a large rear diffuser. Rear privacy glass as well. You get the unique grey 5-spoke design alloy wheels, 15mm lowered suspension and red painted front and rear brake calipers. You get LED signature rear lights and the Halogen projector headlights as standard inclusions of the ST model as well. One of the optional features you've got is the auto wipers including headlamps and the auto dimming rear view mirror. The ST styling features continue onto the interior with your half leather half fabric interior upholstery. You've got the red inserts on the seat with the Recaro embroidery on the bolsters, ST kick plates and Fiesta floor mats. You've got a leather wrapped multi-function steering wheel with the ST badging as part of your ST inclusions. Your leather wrapped gear gaiter gear stick with some silver trim inserts. Heated seats as standard on the ST. Your climate control functions and then your infotainment system powered by SONY. You can see on your centre screen area you've got access to rear parking sensors and also DAB radio. If you would like any more information, would like to book a viewing or a test drive on this 2015 Fiesta ST EcoBoost, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end or inquire through our website.